Hi, I'm Jimmy and I work for Ronseal. Me and my colleagues at Ronseal have created loads of content to help you get the DIY done as quickly and as painlessly as possible. So we're going to prove to you that it does exactly what it says on the tin. We all know that coating your deck can be hard work. So at Ronseal, we've given your back a break with our Decking Applicator kit. It's 5 times faster than using a brush and can be used with any of our oils, stains or paints. Firstly, assemble the poles, making sure you've locked them secure. Each pack has 2 pads, the white one for cleaning and the green one for coating. Obviously, the cleaning pad is when you prep your deck with our Clean and Reviver. It's better than a garden brush as it's been specifically designed for removing algae and dirt from your deck. When you come to coating, swap over your pad. Whatever you're applying, pour it into a tray. Dip your pad and push it in long strokes down the length of the board. Like you're mopping in straight lines. Try and take 3 or 4 boards at a time to avoid overlap marks. Couldn't be easier. Once you're done, make sure you leave 24 hours before you move your furniture back to preserve your finish. Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin.